Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia XA1 Ultra, and I'll show you how to reset the camera. So unfortunately there is no in-camera setting to do it, so you'll need to go in through settings and then apps and notifications. Tap on app info and find the camera app, which is right here. And by mistake I scroll down all the way. Tap on camera. And here you'll have the storage. And from here you can tap on clear data. And once you tap that, basically all the settings that you have made will be removed. Now it will give you a warning that basically everything will be removed, all the files and other stuff, but it does not include the photos that you have taken. So as you see, I just cleared this, and if I go back and open album, the photo that I took before this is still here. So it does not affect actually the photos that were taken by the camera, only the settings and camera related stuff. And also it doesn't remove the camera just in case, it just removes the settings that were changed on there. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.